All right, this next one says, find and write in the missing dimensions of each rectangle below. Okay, so 9 and 36, we're missing this dimension right here. And we know on our area models that we can multiply the length and the width to get the area, the inside number, okay? So we know this is 9 times something. 9 times something equals 36. So we can just go ahead and skip count to get there if we want to. If you know your multiplication facts, it makes it easier. So I know 9 times 4 is 36. So I'm just going to write my 4. This one, we're looking for this number here. So we know it's 7 times something equals 42. Okay, and I know my multiplication facts, so I know that 7 times 6 equals 42. Okay, if you don't know, you can do your number line, and you can just skip count each time, do your repeated addition. That's fine, no problem there. I just want to make sure you know how to get that number, okay? And these are kind of the same thing here. So we're just going to do, if you know your multiplication facts, these are going to be really easy. If not, you might need to do some repeated addition. Show your work on the side, that's fine, whatever you need to do. So 7 times 8 is 56. 5 times what is 40? So again, if you don't know, you can just skip count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So that was 8. Okay, 6 times 9, we know that's 54. What times 8 is 32? So how many 8s does it take to get to 32? So it's 8, 16, 20, 32. Okay. What times 22 is 220? Well, I notice here, whenever it has a 0 at the end, let me see, I'm like, okay, I've got the 2's, I've got the 2's, so it's just, we need to add something to one place value. Okay, so 10 times 22 equals 220. 3 times 7, 7, 14, 21. Okay, 50 times 200. Well, I know 100 is 2 50s, so 200 must be double that, so it's 4. Okay. 9 times what equals 90? Again, I see my 9 and my 9, and I'm left with that. So 9 times, I know 10 equals 90. 4 times 20 equals what? Okay, so 4 times 2 is 8, and then I still have my 0, so that's 80. Or you could think like 4 times half of 20 is 10, so 4 times 10 would be 40. So then we just need to do 2 of those, right? So 40 and 40 would be 80. So whatever way is easier for you. 7 times what is 28? 7, 14, 21, 28. So that's 4. What times 10 is 60? Well, we know 6 times 1 is 6. So that must be 6. And we can check 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Good.